Hi everyone. So today we're gonna be performing an experiment called the gold ring experiment. Featuring my mom that's recording. Okay, so before we start our experiment, we're first gonna go over our expected procedure. So we're first gonna have a beaker containing potassium iodine, and this solution is gonna be diluted. So I'm gonna be adding some deionized water into it, and the total volume should come out to about 100 milliliters. And then we're gonna have a second beaker, and this beaker is gonna contain a diluted solution of lead to nitrate at approximately 100 milliliters as well, so equal proportions. And then we're also gonna add in some acetic acid, because about 1 to 2 liters of acetic acid, because a normal solution of lead to nitrate will be cloudy, and to get rid of that cloudiness due to hydrolysis, we're going to add in some acetic acid to make it clear. And then next, we're going to combine these two solutions into one giant Erlenmeyer flask. So yeah, as I draw it here. And this the combined solution should have a yellow color. Oh, and I forgot, both of the original solutions should be clear. So after combining the solutions and seeing the yellow color solution, we're gonna have to add in water at approximately 80 degrees Celsius. What this is gonna do is raise the temperature high enough to make the solids, which is causing the yellow colors, to dissolve and return the solution back to a clear color. After this, we're gonna cool the solution down at room temperature, and what this does is for the solids to reform, and as the solid is forming, it should create a cool effect of gold rain or gold solids in the solution. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the actual experiment. What I'm doing here is adding deionized water, about 100 milliliters to each beaker. Don't mind the different size beakers. I couldn't find two of the same size ones, but yeah, both of them contain 100 milliliters of basically water alone. And next, I'm getting a dropper or pipette, if you want to call it, and the bottle that I have in my hand right now is potassium iodine. You can see it's yellow in color. That is what's gonna mainly cause the chemical reaction to have like this gold color, or like yellowish color. And here I'm adding 1 milliliter of this solution to the water to dilute it, which is basically meaning to have it at a lesser concentration. And here I'm gonna stir it at 2 times speed. I can't put music because I don't have the premium version, but yeah. Okay, so what I'm doing here is opening the bottle of lead to nitrate, and I'm basically repeating the same procedure what I did with the potassium iodide with here, which is getting 1 milliliter of the lead nitrate and dissolving it into the solution, and then mixing up. Yeah. No music again because I can't put music. Okay, so this big bottle is containing acetic acid, and I'm gonna add about 1 milliliter of this as well into the solution to prevent the solution from getting cloudy when I mix it. And more stirring action. So the solution on my right, your left, is the potassium iodine solution, which is one pouring into the flask right now. And the one in the bigger flask to my left and your right is my lead nitrate solution with acetic acid, which is what I'm gonna pour into the flask right now. Okay, so what I'm doing here is basically swirling the solution around so the two solutions can start mixing together and start reacting, and that's what's gonna be causing the yellow color, which is the formation of lead iodine, which is yellow in color. Yeah, mixing time. And here is a close-up view of me swirling it. If you can't really see it that well, but you can see like tiny little flakes of what seems to be gold, which is just the salt that is produced from these two solutions. And if you look closely, at the top of the solution, there's like some layers of that salt I was talking about. And what I have in my hand right now is the water at 80 degrees Celsius that I was talking about. I put it in my bottle because my bottle is insulated, so it can keep it at that temperature. And I'm pouring out in a beaker. And now I'm gonna pour that hot water into the solution to dissolve all of those salts, or quote unquote gold. And now I'm just gonna mix it till it becomes clear. Okay, so here I moved this solution to a much darker place and placed a flashlight next to it. You can see some of the gold specks starts like forming, but overall this experiment is not like very anticlimactic, I would say, because I kind of diluted the solution a little bit too much. But normally you would see like a lot of gold rain start like raining down. And that is it for my chemistry experiment. I hope you enjoyed me trying this experiment for the first time. If you want to replicate this experiment, make sure to have safety equipments. Other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe. Wait, restart that.